Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I got this purple look using the James Charles palette. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. I'll see you guys in my next video. Long time no see, huh? To start out, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Brow Precise Brow Pencil in the shade Black Brown. And I'm also going to go in with the Wet n Wild Retractable Brow Pencil in the shade Dark Brown. My brows look kind of crazy right now, but I'm going to fix them a little later. But for now, I'm going to go in with the Milani Conceal and Perfect Concealer in the shade Warm Beige. So for my eyeshadow, I'm going to be using the James Charles palette. To start off, I'm going to be using the shade Single. And the next color I'm going to be applying is Escape.
It's your boy. Oh, you look good, girl.
Thank you. I'm not even like halfway done. Eyes are pretty much done, so I'm gonna go ahead and start on my face makeup. For my primer, I'm gonna be using the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. For foundation, I'm going to be using the NYX Born to Glow Naturally Radiant Foundation in the shade Golden. For my concealer, I'm going to be using the Milani Conceal and Perfect Concealer in the shade Warm Beige. To set everywhere that I just put concealer, I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution Banana Powder. To set the rest of my face, I'm going to be using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop in the shade Medium. To contour, I'm going to use the Profusion contour palette, and I just like mix all three of those contour colors together. I'm just going to apply a little bit of blush, and I'm going to use the Milani Baked Blush in the shade Rose d'Oro. I'm going to go ahead and set my face with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. I'm going to be using the Essence Lash and Brow Gel to set my brows. For highlight, I'm going to be using this Milani Stellar Lights highlighter palette in the shade Rose Glow. I'm going to be using the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Abu Dhabi. And I'm also going to be using the Iman Luxury Lip Shimmer in the shade Honey.